Do you want to watch videos and earn money? Because that's exactly what so many people are promising out there on the internet. My name is Vince, and on today's video, I'm going to be showing you a realistic showcase of the earning potential of these applications, and what you should probably expect as well. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's kick this off. First off, I tried to earn by watching videos on Gibby videos for 1 hour. I've actually created an Excel spreadsheet that I'll show you on today's video, documenting my progress for 1 single hour on each of the applications I'm showing you today. First off, Gibby videos has had a massive update where they allow you to pretty much watch advertisements over and over again to generate coins. Simply tap on the play ad button and you can start generating. You can see after watching that advertisement, I've now been rewarded a whole bunch of coins. If you've never heard of Gibby videos before, essentially it's an application that allows you to watch YouTube videos while generating some revenue from the advertisements that appear. So if I tap on this Mr. Beast video, you'll notice an advertisement appears straight away. For me, this is quite annoying because most of the time it's all scam applications that you're forced to sit through and watch. But you'll notice after watching that advertisement, it comes up with a little pop-up saying new video reward, and I've earned 800 coins there. It also states every video you watch will earn you money. Now, from what I've experienced, that's kind of true. If you watch a certain amount of videos, you can actually earn a bonus daily reward. You can see here that apparently you can earn all the way up to $1.35 of extra bonuses for watching videos on a daily basis. I've found that the only real way you're going to generate anything on Gibby videos is by watching the advertisements and not the videos themselves. You'll see that you have a little present button on the top right corner of the screen. Tapping that will also allow you a way to watch ads to generate these coins. Now, if you're curious on how many coins you actually need on Gibby videos to withdraw, 10,000 coins equals 1 cent worth of United States currency. Gibby videos has a whole bunch of cash out methods, which I do appreciate compared to other applications out there, with very low minimum cash out requirements as well, depending on what you choose. At the bottom of the screen, you can see my 1 hour progress report. Gibby videos generated me 16 cents worth of real life currency in 1 hour of watching pretty much non-stop advertisements. As I said, it wasn't really that I was watching videos as such, it was more the video ads within the application itself. It's almost like the YouTube aspect's just there for advertisements to play for the Gibby developer. Then we get a small little percentage of that ad revenue. So if you see anyone promoting Gibby videos and saying you can earn big money, more than likely that's 100% false, just an FYI. Gibby videos pays out instantly if you cash out crypto, or you have to wait up to 3 days for your PayPal money. The next app is LootUp. If you've never heard of LootUp before, it's a simple application that allows you to earn not only with surveys, offers, and playing games, but also by watching videos. It has a point-based currency system where 1,000 points equals $1 worth of USD. It features gift cards, PayPal, and also cryptocurrency withdrawal methods, which is excellent as well. You can also complete daily activities on LootUp as well. Now, paying attention to the watch videos area, LootUp features 19 different categories of videos that you can watch to generate these points that then you can convert into real revenue. Generally, it's all hosted on the same website though, Hideout TV. Let's say I wanted to watch a whole bunch of music videos. I'd simply tap on the category, tap on Start Earning, and now it takes me to the Hideout TV webpage. Make sure you sign up or log in. Now that I've just logged in, you can see here that a new area has unlocked. We now have something called Hideout Points. Sometimes when watching a video, an advertisement will appear. Every single time one of these advertisements appears, at least here in Australia, I can earn 3.5 of the Hideout points. And even during the video, these advertisements will appear as well. For 1 single hour of my time, I was able to generate 7 cents of real currency by watching ads on Hideout TV. So again, you are not going to be making big money from these methods, but it does work. To get to the 1,000 points, you're easily going to have to watch for 10 hours though, at least here in Australia, to get anywhere near $1 worth of USD. I have to say, on Hideout TV, there's no guarantee that an ad is going to play as well compared to something like Gibby videos, where you can just literally spam yourself with ads. At least now you have a realistic approach if you are to watch videos on it. In my experience, LootUp pays within 2 days of requesting your cash out. Next we have Gibby Shorts. Gibby Shorts is another Gibby application that apparently will reward players for watching videos within their applications in the form of shorts. Think of it as like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, everyone. I have to say, earning is actually very limited on Gibby Shorts compared to the other methods I just mentioned. You'll notice on the right side of the screen, there's a quick reward button. Tapping on this will allow you to watch an advertisement for coins. Again, just like Gibby videos, these coins equal a certain amount of real currency. Let me just watch the ad and show you how many coins I get. Alright, as you can see here, I earn 3,809 coins for watching that ad. So again, just like Gibby videos, the exact same concept applies. You're not really getting paid for watching the shorts, you're really getting paid for watching the ads. Just then, an advertisement appeared as I was swiping through the shorts. And now you'll notice I just got rewarded with 2,000 coin bonus. So essentially, what they want you to do is just constantly swipe through the shorts, tap on the little instant bonus button, which by the way, you can only do a certain amount of times per day. I'm fairly sure it's either 5 or 10 times in a 24-hour time span. So Gibby Shorts has the exact same cash out options as Gibby videos, and even the exact same currency system of 10,000 coins equaling 1 cent USD. Various cash out methods again here, which is nice to see. But how does it fare up against the other apps I've mentioned on today's video when it comes to earning rates? Well everyone, for 1 hour of using Gibby Shorts, I was able to generate 8 cents worth of real currency. Now keep in mind, that was me tapping on the instant reward bonus feature. So I actually think the earning rate is severely lower than 8 cents per hour. You may be looking at about 3 or 4 cents per hour max. Now granted, depending on where you live, the earning rates are going to be different, but I live in Australia and generally we have very high rates. You can see here, they give you little extra bonuses for watching the ads. This is 3,700 of the coins, and I can watch video ad to double up apparently. It all depends on the ad views, guys, I'm telling you now. So if you're willing to sit through ads over and over again, then you could probably get up to maybe 10 or 15 cents per hour if you're lucky. Gibby Shorts is the exact same concept as Gibby videos when it comes to payment. You either pay instantly for crypto or within 3 days for PayPal usually. The next application is TV2 Watch and Earn Rewards. TV2 is a very interesting app to me because it has huge potential, but as you're going to find out on this video, it's probably not worth anyone's time out there at the moment. The whole concept of TV2 is that we literally just browse YouTube videos, watch them and generate coins in exchange for the TV2 cryptocurrency token. You can complete offers for coins, but the main reason why I'm using it is to watch videos, and you can see there are plenty of YouTube videos to go around with various different categories as well that you can browse through. So it is nice, but do we really care about how nice the app is? Not really, because we're trying to actually earn on it. So let me tell you about my earning experience on the TV2 application, because keep in mind, I've done full in-depth reviews on all the apps I'm talking about on today's video. If you guys want to see them, just check out my channel, of course. Here you can see the earning history that I was able to achieve within 1 hour of using TV2. And something that I want you guys to pay attention to here, you may think that the balance of 2,800 of the coins is a lot. Well, this is where you'd be mistaken, because here in Australia, to make your first cash out, you need 100,000 of the coins to get 100 of the TTV tokens. And while I can confirm that this is a legitimate application that does pay, with tokens at the moment are worthless. So essentially you have to hope and pray that the token price goes up, or you've just essentially wasted your time. This is something to really pay attention to here with cryptocurrency based applications, especially ones with their own custom token like the TTV one. Let's hope that the application can turn itself around going forward. The last application is Media Rewards. Media Rewards is a very unique application for the simple fact that it always listens in onto your audio to try and find advertisements and I guess figure out what you're watching, guys. So you can literally watch anything. And then Media Rewards will be listening in, trying to figure out what advertisements are playing during that video. So let's say you're watching YouTube and then an advertisement plays, or you're watching TV and an advertisement plays. Media Rewards tries to listen in on that, and in return you generate points. You can see here I have 53,000 points and I'm in the top 56% of users. And something that you'll notice at the bottom of the screen, we have the various giveaway area. The way that you increase your score is by boosting your accelerators. Essentially, giving Media Rewards more permissions on your mobile phone will allow you to enter into different brackets of prizes, guys, as you can see here on the screen. You can see right now Media is being monitored, so essentially I'm getting listed into at the moment, generating points in return. The thing that most people don't understand about Media Rewards is that there is no guarantee you're ever going to win anything. I've personally only been gifted one single survey from Media Rewards that paid me $10 worth of currency, which was awesome to have, but it took a month or so to generate. But within 1 single hour of letting Media Rewards be on my mobile phone, I was able to generate around 9,000 or so worth of the points. And as you can see here, we've grown all the way up to almost 60,000 points, which has put me in the top 56% of the bracket and has entered me into all these chances of winning. There's even a $1,000 prize as well. Granted, you probably have minimal to no chance of winning that $1,000, let's be real. But Media Rewards is an interesting little app and it might appeal to someone out there, but I thought I'd explain how it works in depth so you understand a bit better and at least you know what to expect going into it. Either way, please remember to join my free Discord, show your support for this video by liking, subscribing, commenting and sharing, and I'll catch you all tomorrow for another review.